The Philippine Navy is stepping boldly into the future. In a world where drones are reshaping battlefields, intelligence operations, and disaster response, the Navy has opened a new chapter in its modernization story. On October 27, 2025, the Philippine Navy launched its first-ever drone warfare summit, right here at Subic Bay, a historic symbol of the country's maritime strength. This isn't just another military event. It's a turning point in how the Philippines envisions defense, technology, and national resilience in the 21st century. Organized by the Philippine Fleet, in partnership with Defense Expo Philippines, the three-day event brings together an impressive network of defense innovators, from military strategists, technology developers, government agencies, to international defense partners. Their shared mission: to strengthen unmanned systems integration across air, sea, and land domains. The responsible development and integration of unmanned systems is no longer optional. It is essential. Those words from Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. set the tone for the entire summit. A reminder that innovation isn't a luxury anymore, but a matter of national security. Inside the summit halls, the energy was electric. Dozens of local and foreign defense firms unveiled cutting-edge unmanned systems, from reconnaissance drones to maritime surface vehicles, and even counter-drone technologies designed to neutralize airborne threats. One of the biggest highlights: the Malawan Park Drone Showcase, where live flight demonstrations revealed both Filipino-engineered drones and international models. Among the featured systems were surveillance quadcopters for coastal patrol, hybrid VTOL drones capable of long-range maritime reconnaissance, unmanned surface vessels that could one day patrol the West Philippine Sea. This event wasn't just about hardware. It was about strategy, integration, and the digital transformation of defense. One of the key messages of the summit: self-reliant defense posture. The Philippines is no longer content with just importing military tech. It's building its own. Filipino innovators, supported by the Department of National Defense and private tech startups, showcased indigenous drone systems designed for maritime domain awareness, search and rescue, and humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations. These local innovations demonstrate that the Philippines can create, adapt, and sustain advanced defense technology, one prototype at a time. The summit also opened doors for international partnerships. Representatives from Japan, South Korea, Israel, the United States, and European defense companies joined discussions on drone interoperability, AI integration, and electronic warfare. These collaborations aim to ensure that the Philippine Navy's future fleet, including next-generation frigates and offshore patrol vessels, can seamlessly integrate unmanned systems for reconnaissance, targeting, and defense coordination. As drone warfare becomes the new frontier of modern defense, the Philippine Navy's commitment to mastering it marks a strategic leap forward. From airborne reconnaissance drones to autonomous maritime vehicles, and soon, AI-assisted combat systems, the future of the Philippine Navy is not just manned, it's intelligently unmanned. The 2025 Drone Warfare Summit isn't just a milestone event, it's a message to the world that the Philippines is ready to defend its skies, seas, and sovereignty with innovation at its core. The Philippine Navy's first-ever Drone Warfare Summit marks more than just an event. It's a declaration of intent, a statement that the Philippines is ready to embrace the future of defense, one built on innovation, technology, and self-reliance. From land to sea to sky, unmanned systems are now part of the Navy's evolving playbook, enhancing surveillance, logistics, and maritime security like never before. And as we've seen here in Subic Bay, this summit is not just about drones, it's about vision, a smarter, faster, and stronger armed forces of the Philippines. The future of warfare is no longer about who has the biggest fleet, but who adapts the fastest. And the Philippine Navy is proving that it's ready to soar into that future. If you believe in the Philippines' journey toward modernization and defense innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing stories that highlight the strength and progress of our armed forces. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.